We were just walking out and we saw this Opus 15 and thought, what the heck is this? I have never heard of Opus off-road trailers. I have never heard of Opus Off-Road. Their website is opuscamper.us, and this is the OP15. This thing looks really cool, and it has a lot of really good features that I think is going to make it very much an off-road capable trailer that'll hold up. Now, I don't know, so comment below if you have any experience with Opus and what you think of them, but this thing looks really dang cool. So let's walk around and see what it actually has. So we're walking around trying to find the weights for this thing and not seeing them. Right inside though, it does have the tires. So right here, it does have the weight of the cargo should never exceed 1,653 pounds. So that's quite a bit of actual payload. But we need to find the trailer weight. People like to know the trailer weight. I found it, kind of dumb. It's just right here on the tongue. So, the gross vehicle weight rating is 6,600 pounds. So, kind of heavy. Probably half ton. You aren't towing this with your Jeep. Maybe with a Gladiator though. Overall, it's kind of a little bit heavier trailer, but you're getting a lot with it. I don't know if this would be considered a tent trailer because it does have completely hard sides, but the top has this little raised portion with canvas. It's great because when you're traveling, drop it down, you get extra clearance, but then when you get wherever, pop it up and you get an extra 1.5 to 2 feet of headroom, which is really cool. Any off-road or off-road trailer should come with an articulating hitch, and this one is the Cruisemaster DO35. It's awesome how it gives you that extra articulation that a regular ball hitch would not give you. Then right here, we actually have a park brake. So when you're set up, you pull this, it helps lock it in place. That way it reduces the amount of wiggle, all those sort of things. Here we do have your just kind of standard crank jack, but as you can see all around this, it is aluminum framed, which is going to help keep the weight down, but it's also fully boxed aluminum, so it's really strong. Now moving back from the hitch, you do have this screen guard. We noticed the other day, got home after taking our off-road trailer out with our Bronco, that it was all dinged up and stuff. It just throws so much rocks. So we're looking for one of these screens. This is super nice to have. Even though you do have your metal plating here, it's still gonna get chipped. This will help protect it. Then you have your spot for your 2 propane cans and 2 batteries. If you're going off-road, you need lots of propane and lots of power. So 2 battery spots, 2 propane spots. This is pretty dang nice. Let's move down around this side. Now coming down the side, usually it has the weights right here. Guess we'll have to look for the weights somewhere else. Right here, you do have I think this is your furnace system right here, and then of course your plug, and you have water right here as well. Coming down, you have your stabilizers. So this, you just drop down like this, and this thing pivots, so you can do it kind of wherever you need it. If you need it at a full, 180, or you can bring it up 45, whatever you need. And you also back here, kind of tucked in the middle of everything, you do have your waste gates. You also have one right here, which I think this would be a pain to get your slinky on, because if there's any sort of leakage at all, it's dripping on you right there. I don't know if I like that. I understand they're doing it to keep it up out of the way as much as possible, but that could get stinky. Of course, being an off-road trailer, you need big off-road tires. Extra thick sidewalls, those sort of things helps you out. These are a 265. Another nice thing with this, not only do you have the off-road tires here, you have 2 spares on the back, which we'll show you in a second. But back behind the tires is what's really important on any off-road trailer. Coming down the side here, if you're doing an off-road trailer, you have to have independent suspension, and they did it. I can't see a brand on here anywhere. I will try. I'm not seeing a brand. I'll get on their website and I'll look, and I will just type it in right here what brand of independent suspension this is, but it looks really dang nice. It does have gas shocks on it. You can see it has the spring, but also dual shocks. And right here you have your water tank, you can see, with your little drain right there, which is handy. And then, as I said, 2 big spare tires and a rack back here. It's folded down because this is a pull-out. So when you raise up the top, you can pull this out, giving you room for the big bed inside, plus this really cool window in the back. Now, Kara was just looking to mention there's no hitch for bikes. With how this has to fold down and with this sliding out, having a rear bike hitch I just don't think would work. I don't know if there's room on the roof, but it's a ways up there, so, and I don't see a ladder to climb up to look at it. When this slides in though, it does have this hard panel that comes down to cover up all of this and protect it, which is nice, and keep it all clean. But what's really cool on this unit, all the cooking stuff is not inside, it's outdoor. And it gives you this massive outdoor kitchen. This thing is huge. As we went through it trying to learn about it, Kara was like, where's all the kitchen at? We didn't know it was stored underneath the bed. So you have your sink right here. You have this that pops up that you can put all your different spices, you know, all your cooking supplies on this rack. You have your little spotlight, because if you're like us, you show up way too late, and so you're cooking in the dark. And you have a 4-burner cooktop, and not just little like rinky-dink camping 4-burner. These are huge, like real 4-burner with like real grates. I have not seen this on a trailer like this before. This is cool. Then you have a little table that slides out as well. So you have this extra cook space, and you have a drawer right here that you can put all your utensils in, all that sort of stuff. I really like the looks of this. Another little drawer right here. I really like this. For the most part, I'm not a fan of outdoor kitchens, but this, it's just not 1 burner with a fridge and a little tiny sink. This is a kitchen. Over here, we do have your water hose, storage, all that sort of stuff. They have your articulating hitch right there. These are so cool. Great storage, nice metal drawers, really nice. Lock up, really nice as well. So you have your kitchen over on the back side. On the front side, you have your big Dometic fridge cooler. It does have the fridge and freezer portions. These things work really well. This is what we have on our off-road trailer, and we've loved it. And this is the fancier model, so I'm sure it's even better. That is nice on this amazing pull-out drawer. And you can tell it's built well because it slides so easy. Like, you can feel how much stronger it is than a lot of the pull-out drawers you'll find on RVs, which are just crap. So, really nice. Ouch, got my finger. You need to be careful on this as you slide it in. So when you slide this in, it fits really tight. You'll catch your finger.
That's what the handle's for?
Oh, Kara's smarter than me, but we all knew that already. With having an outdoor kitchen, you are exposed to the elements, so it's nice that they have this big awning right up here. Come out, completely cover your kitchen area. Super nice. But let's go inside and let Kara show you what's all going on in there.
Kitchen is closed for the rest of the night. So if you didn't notice, this does have a pop-up roof, giving you, what, almost 2 feet of extra head clearance?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, a full forearm's length, so Yeah, quite a bit. I'm 5'10", and I have quite a bit of headroom. If you're over 6 foot, you still should be fine.
It would be surprising at how much is actually inside here. So right in the back, we have that slide out, giving you more room for your sleeping quarters. Mattress slides in, fold it over, and you have this great big queen-sized space right here. And if you don't need it, you can still use your mattress. May give you twin size when the slide is in. So you do still have sleeping room, not as much when you're all enclosed. Throughout this unit, it has these really cool windows. With these windows, you just pop up your handles, make sure they're all open. They have the nice little struts that you set in place wherever you want them. Day-night shade and your screen. These are offering so much air flowing just through the unit. And when you're done using them, you unclip them, pop it up, and it falls. Lock it back in place. You know, I just got thinking, if it's raining outside and I don't want to go out there, I can just pop this open and say, "Hey Jess, send me my takeout." Doing a little flip around here. We do have some nice drawer storage. It could be clothing, it could be kitchen, either way. You do have a little TV for entertainment. However, they do have this nice big huge cabinet here. It's got nice big drawers, 3 drawers, fairly deep. This gives you a lot of storage in this unit. And where are you going to eat? Right here on your table. This table does move around, giving you a little bit of flexibility and maneuverability in here as well. It can come right out if you prefer and not even have a tabletop. Some of these little trailers, they do not offer bathroom facilities at all. Luckily, this one does. It has everything. It's got your shower head, your toilet, and you've even got a little sink in here. It is tiny, but you know what? It fits my hands perfectly. Shower test?
Yeah, let's do a shower test. Lots of headroom. I mean, you're good that way. But I'm not the biggest guy. I'm like 195 right now. So not super huge, but it's kind of tight. You're off-road though. This is like camping, and take what you can get. It is nice to have a bathroom facility though.
If you got a few kiddos, you got a really nice bunk bed set up here. If not, you got phenomenal storage. Down below the bunks, you've got some more storage. A few little drawers here. Not bad. Fairly deep. And on this other side, you've got all your controls. You've got your solar, your water, everything you need right there. Guys, if you've got some family, no family, just want to get out, hit the dirt road, this is a great unit for you. It comes in at $55,000, but with that price tag, you get so much offered in this unit. We'll have all the information linked on this unit down below. If you want to reach out to Paris, we'll have their information down below as well. Thank you for catching us on this episode. We do appreciate your viewership. And above all, enjoy your weekend.
Buy it. Just buy it right now. Take it home. We're going to go look at that Berkshire out front. We'll put your name on it.
Okay. All right.
See you guys.
See you guys.
Down below the bunks, you do have more drawer space, which are not opening. Maybe they're faux. They're not opening.
Try those ones on this side. Is there like something you like push on the inside here? Or maybe they're fake.